Hayden, we're back. We're getting ready to bake. We got our oven preheated to 350. All right, so let's go ahead and start dumping in the ingredients.
Which one do I dump in first?
Whatever one you want.
Okay.
So there's the butter and oil. Half cup.
I'm moving this.
Okay.
And this.
Dump it in.
Dump this?
Yeah, dump it in.
This?
Yep, that's the cake mix.
There. Cake mix dumped in.
A nice yellow cake mix and shake it.
There.
Okay, now dump in the pudding.
Dump in.
Of course, this is pudding mix, not pudding, so you have to use a little extra liquid. Okay. Now, do the milk in the water.
The milk.
Oh, don't spill it. There you go. How about the eggs? Well, you can do the other milk.
This one first.
Yep. Okay. Eggs with one extra.
Oh my god.
I know. Ah! Okay. Now I'm going to come around here and help this young lady get started. Mixing up the cake.
I'm very old.
Okay.
I don't want to mix it.
We like to do this on a lower speed and gently move around. Watch your hair, girlfriend.